A is for amphibious car. A, amphibious car. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer. C is for cargo van. Cargo van. D is for dump truck. Doggo van. E is for excavator. B, excavator. F is for fighter jet. Fighter jet. G is for gravel truck. Gravel truck. H is for hybrid car. Hybrid car. I is for ice cream man. Ice cream man. J is for double jet. Jumbo jet. K is for kidboard. Gravel truck. I will loader, hands for loader, no loader. Here is for lump, and it's for millet truck. And it's for narrow body jet. Narrow body jet. O is for oil rig vehicle. Oil rig vehicle. B is for pickup truck. Q is for quick load. And it's for rescue helicopter. Rescue helicopter. S is the streetcar. Streetcar. T is for tow truck.